Hello everyone, this is Tanvi and welcome back to Tanvi's Creativity. So in today's video, I am going to share some interesting facts with you all, from which you may be knowing only some of them. So if you want to know all facts, then watch this video till end. And now let's get started. For more videos, please subscribe to Tanvi's Creativity. A person's height is determined by their father and weight is determined by their mother. Between 12 to 15% population is left-handed. Between 1997 to 2002, there was an increase of 228% in cosmetic procedures in US. A new word in English is created in every 98 minutes. 89% of people in Sweden speak English. The word Q is pronounced in the same way when the last four letters are removed. Potatoes were the first food to be grown in space. In 1996, potato plants were taken in the space with the Space Shuttle Columbia. The female lion does more than 90% of hunting while male lion simply prefers to rest. A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Jellyfish have been around for more than 650 million years. The sun is around 4.6 billion years old. The sun alone contains 99.8% of all the matter in a solar system. More than 1 billion Earths could fit in the sun. It takes 8 minutes for the light of the sun to reach us here on Earth. Typewriter is the longest word that can be made using letters only on one row on keyboard. So it was my today's video. I hope you all have liked the video, and if you like, then make sure you're going to like, share and subscribe to Tanvi's Creativity, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So I will meet you very soon with the new video. Till that, be happy, be healthy and be creative. Bye bye.